Hi, this is CS50 and welcome to my final project. Here we have a web application for a graphic design agency that was built using Flask, SQL, JavaScript, alongside HTML, CSS of course, for a graphic design agency called Lightning Strike. Here we have this section which is a slideshow using the jQuery plugin for JavaScript, where you can go forward and back and they automatically switch every few seconds, and you can jump right here between the buttons. Between the slides. Below that we have this gallery section which displays images of course, and if you click on any one in particular you can view it at a full screen. Was done using the Lightbox JavaScript plugin as well. Here we have a section which is just for portfolios, just some buttons. Here we have a video section which is just videos embedded from YouTube, nothing special. Here's a submission form where people can request a certain service from the agency. Although all fields are required, when it comes to the phone number and email, you only need to input one of them for it to work. For example, let's just type in David, for example, and first and first, let's not provide anything. Let's give it a deadline. And let's give it a certain service. You see, we get an error message stating that we need at least one of them, but not both. Now let's go back, and this time around, let's give a phone number. And let's specify a certain date, let's say August 1st. The service. Now, we have successfully submitted a request. Now, if we move over to our SQL, we can indeed see that David has been entered into our database. And as you can see, although we didn't provide an email, it was still accepted because one of them, but not necessarily both, are required for the information to be passed in. We can even go a step further and check all our requests based on their deadline. That way we can view which one is the most urgent one and give it our top priority. The web app is also mobile responsive, so it would work just well on mobile devices.